These are questions of AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question. You need to develop a web based AI solution for a customer support system. Users must be able to interact with the web app and will guide them to the best resource or answer. Option A, custom vision. Option B, Q&A maker. Option C, translator text. Option D, face detection. The correct answer is option B. Our next question. Which AI service should you use to create a bot from a frequently asked question document? Option A, Q&A maker. Option B, language understanding. Option C, text analytics. Option D, speech. The correct answer is option A. Our next question. You have a web chat bot that provides responses from a Q&A maker knowledge base. You need to ensure that the bot uses user feedback to improve the relevance of responses over time. What should you use? Option A, key phrase extraction. Option B, sentiment analysis. Option C, business logic. Option D, active learning. The correct answer is option D. Our next question. You are developing a conversational AI solution that will communicate with users through multiple channels, including email, Microsoft Teams, and web chat. Which service should you use? Option A, text analytics. Option B, Azure bot service. Option C, translator. Option D, form recognizer. The correct answer is option B. That is Azure bot service. Our next question. You need to track multiple versions of a model that was trained by using Azure machine learning. What should you do? Option A, provision an interface duster. Option B, explain the model. Option C, register the model. Option D, register the training data. The correct answer is option C. Our next question. You need to develop a chatbot for a website. The chatbot must answer users' questions based on the information in the following documents. Option A product troubleshooting guide, a Microsoft Word document, frequently asked questions list on a web page. Which service should you use to process the documents? Option A, learn language understanding. Option B, text analytics. Option C, Azure bot service. Option D, Q&A maker. The correct answer is option D, that is Q&A maker. Our next question. You are building knowledge base by using Q&A maker. Which file format can you use to populate the knowledge base? Option A, PDF. Option B, PPTX. Option C, XML. Option D, ZIP. The correct answer is option A. Our next question. You use Azure Machine Learning Designer to build a model pipeline. What should you create before you run the pipeline? Option A Zapier notebook. Option B, a registered model. Option C, compute source. The correct answer is option C. Our next question. You use drones to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of weeds. This is the example of which type of computer vision? Option A, scene segmentation. Option B, optical character recognition. Option C, object detection. The correct answer is option C. Our next question. You have an Azure machine learning pipeline that contains a split data module. A split data module inputs into a model module and a score model module. What is the function of the split data module? Option A, selecting columns that must be included in the model. Option B, creating training and validation data sets. Option C, diverting records that have missing data. Option D, scaling numeric variables so that they are within the consistent numeric range. The correct answer is option A. Next one. You need to create a customer support solution to help customers access information. The solution must support email, phone, and a live chat channels. Which type of AI solution should you use? Option A, natural language processing. Option B, computer vision. Option C, machine learning. Option D, chatbot. The correct answer is option A, that is natural language processing.